How to report lost or stolen Target rate card. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can report lost or stolen Target rate card. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So the first step is to call the Target support. It is the fastest way to report your lost or stolen credit card. So to call the Target card services, you could open up Google in your device and then you could search for their number. In the search bar, type in Target card services number. Now you can make a call to this number on your interface. And these lines will be available to you for 24/7, and you will either speak with an agent or you may use their automated system to report and request for a new card. But if you prefer doing it online, what you can do is you could head over to your browser and in the search bar you could search for target.com my circle card. Then you'll be taken into the login prompt. Now you have to log in into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the account settings. Then from there, search for report card stolen or lost option. Tap on it. Then follow the on-screen instructions and your new card will be mailed to you. So once you report your lost or stolen card, then it will be deactivated immediately, which will prevent any fraud. After that, your replacement card will arrive in about 5 to 10 business days. Make sure that you monitor your account for any unauthorized activity and take note of when you reported it. If you suspect any of the identity theft, make sure that you follow up in the writing too. So that's it. That's how you can report a lost or stolen Target rate card. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.